Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Lexus paddle shifters. These convenient controls allow you to manually select gears, giving you a more engaging driving experience. You'll find them mounted directly behind your steering wheel, with the left paddle for downshifting and the right paddle for upshifting. It's a straightforward system designed for intuitive control, enhancing your connection with the road. To begin, make sure your Lexus is in either the drive or sport mode. Once you're in one of these modes, simply pull either the left or right paddle shifter one time. This action immediately activates the manual shifting function. You'll notice the gear indicator on your dashboard changes from D to a number, showing your current gear, confirming you are in manual mode. Mastering gear changes with paddle shifters can significantly improve your driving. For instance, downshift before entering a corner to utilize engine braking and maintain better control. Conversely, upshift when your engine's revolutions per minute are high, typically around 3,000 to 4,000, to optimize fuel efficiency and reduce engine strain. Always aim for smooth, timely shifts. When you're ready to return to automatic driving, you have a couple of simple options. The quickest way is to hold the right paddle shifter for about 2 seconds. This will immediately switch you back. Another method is to simply move your main gear selector back into the drive position. Additionally, if you stop using the paddles for a short period, the system will automatically revert to automatic mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.